Managers are responsible for doing a lot of things. They often carry individual contributor responsibilities as well as leading their team and delivering results for the team. They often are so busy doing all that work that they don't have time to make process improvement changes. But they are exactly the best people to see the changes needed to elevate the performance of the company. Those small changes can make a big difference in the company. In order for managers to achieve all the potential they have, they need to have a process for continually making small improvements that doesn't impact their performance. We have a framework we call the Iterative Improvement Engine, which helps them build a continuous improvement process that is sustainable for the long run.